Aloha, welcome to Caddell Cuisine. Today I'm going to take you through my spicy jalapeno margarita recipe. Go ahead and grab your copy of our book for the exact measurements, and I'm going to show you a few of the tips you can do to make this recipe a really delicious one. So to get you started, you're going to roll your fresh limes. This really helps get as much juice out as possible. Just as with any of my cocktail recipes, it's super important to use fresh lime juice. It really makes a difference. Then you're going to choose your jalapenos. I like to thin slice these. It'll make it easier for you when you muddle this. It's up to you how many jalapeno slices you're going to add, so just get a few started there for you. And then you're going to set yourself up with your chipotle powder and your Himalayan salt, or you can also do this with Margarita salt. It depends on what you'd like to do. Then I cut a lime wedge and put a little slice through the middle and just go all around your glass so that that chipotle salt can really adhere to it. Set that off to the side. You're going to need that later. And get yourself started with a few of those jalapenos. Again, up to you how spicy you want it. And then I like to juice one of those lime wedges and just drop that in there. It's really nice the way that the oils from that lime wedge incorporate in with the jalapenos. So give that a really good muddle. Don't be afraid to really push down on it to let all of those flavors sort of incorporate. Once you feel good about what's going on in the muddler, you can go ahead and add your white tequila or tequila blanco, and then your triple sec. If you don't want to use triple sec and you want to do a top shelf version of this margarita, then you can use Grand Marnier. And then this Tahitian vanilla bean syrup is something that you can find in the cookbook as well. You can just follow the instructions on that one. And then you can incorporate your fresh lime juice. Now you're going to add about a cup or so of ice and shake that like a Polaroid picture for anywhere between 30 to 60 or 90 seconds, just enough to get everything really incorporated. Now we're going to take that glass that we garnished earlier, add in some fresh ice cubes, and we're going to strain this. This is a recipe that you don't have to strain out all of the jalapeno chunks if you don't want to. You're more than welcome to add those in at the end. But once you've strained it, now you can go ahead and finish garnishing your cocktail. I like to do this with a lime wheel, and then you can add a jalapeno slice or two at the end there. Enjoy!